Welcome to GENSSI.com, where today we're going to show you a quick video on how to install our new XP2 motorcycle rear stand. The installation on the stand is really simple. Let me run through the certain aspects of the stand. One of the biggest differentiation between this stand and any other stand on the market is the polyurethane wheels. So the polyurethane wheels allow for a much easier and smoother pickup on the motorcycle. Once you actually hook that motorcycle on the spools or in the front forks, it's much easier to push the stand down to actually lift the motorcycle up. It doesn't give you any hesitation, there's not going to be any shaking, and the tires move so nice and free that it doesn't jam up at any time. This also allows you to be able to move the motorcycle around a lot easier while it's on the stand. So what comes with the rear stand? It's really simple. You have the top piece and two bottom pieces where the wheels will come already pre-installed. You'll have two spool lift forks. These two screws allow to install these forks and actually adjust them, and four Allen wrench skews. To do this installation, the only thing you need is a 7/32 Allen wrench. So if we can get started here, the first thing we'll do is, once you pick up the top part of the stand, all you have to do is slide it in to the bottom pieces, and we'll do one side at a time. And then you take two of the Allen screws and you install one on both sides of the stand. And then you'll go ahead and do the opposite side. And once you have those in, you'll go ahead and use your Allen wrench to tighten both sides on all four screws. Now once you have that installed, then you can go ahead and install these. Now these need to be facing inwards, and when you install them, as this is laying flat, these forks are supposed to be pointing upwards, just like that.